Yeah. Go. Woo! Yay!
Yeah.
My turn.
Didn't fall that time. Yeah. Give it to me. Here, hold this real quick. I gotta pick up something.
Oh.
I can get on without nothing.
Do it. Oh. Come on, man. Oh. Oh. Alright, I'm gonna try to do that in the grass though because. Alright, I'm waiting. Come on, man. Oh. Come on, man. Alrighty, here. I'm gonna try to do it in the grass though, because I'll fall in here.
I'll suck that time though.
How do you zoom in? Can't? Oh, man. It's okay, Abby. It's okay.
I can't get my back foot on it. But
It's okay. It's okay.
This is my first day.
It's okay.
I'm doing pretty good for a first time.
It's okay. This isn't your first time.
Yeah,
No, it's not.
we did it was in your house. On a bunk bed. I mean, come on. Woo. Do this.
Oh, sorry.
I can't get my foot on it.
So,
Yes. Can Jordan do it?
no. I got just your feet in that one.
I'm pushing down too hard.
I know you gotta do it slightly.
That
Down?
Hey. Alrighty, I give up on that. I'm going to ride it. Stupid tricycle unicycle thingy. Alrighty. Well. Okay. Look how far I got. Oh yeah. Look how far I got. Let's do this. This is probably going to go on YouTube. Or at least I'm going to try and put it on YouTube. Alright. It's going to be Abby and Trey trying to ride a unicycle.
I could really ride it. It's just I can't do it on camera or anything. Oh! Okay, my turn.
Yep. I got pretty far. I got right here, man.
No. No, you
Yeah.
didn't.
Yeah, I did. You didn't even go anywhere.
I know, I could have went somewhere.
Go! Push too hard, boy.
That's why I hold on to the mailbox so I get past it. Aww.